Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix mic problems on Windows 10. So first right click on sound icon and choose sounds. Under the sound option, click on recording. Here you can see two most important options. Number one, mic in front panel. This option is for your external mic or headphone which is disabled right now. Number two, microphone. This option is for your built-in mic which is also disabled right now. To enable those options, right click on each option and choose enable. Then press OK. I hope guys this will help you. Otherwise, please try second solution. Click on Windows search box and type troubleshoot. Then press enter. Under the troubleshoot, just find recording audio and click on it. And here is the option, run the troubleshooter. Guys, it will take a couple of minutes to fix your problem. Guys, in my personal experience, Windows troubleshooter doesn't work many times. So I hope it will work for you. Guys, here you can choose devices that you want to troubleshoot. Here I am going to choose device. So I will choose mic in at front panel. It is external mic or headphone mic. Click on next. Guys, as usual, this troubleshoot shows troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. So please try next solution. Guys, basically third solution is for those who are facing mic problem during Skype call or recording voice via Windows voice recorder. Guys, click on Windows search box and type settings. Then press enter. Under the Windows settings, click on privacy. Here you have to find microphone. Just click on it. And under the microphone, there is an option to allow apps to access your microphone. It is very important. So please turn on this toggle button. Guys, here you can also choose that which apps can access your microphone. You can choose here individually. I hope guys this solution will help you, but still you are facing same problem. So please follow the next solution. Guys, this fourth solution can help you. So click on Windows search box and type here device manager and press enter. And device manager has been opened. Under the sound, video and game controller, choose Realtek high definition. Right click on it and click on properties. Under the properties, click on driver and click on update driver. As you can see, how do you want to search for drivers? So you can click on first option, search automatically for updated driver software. Guys, basically it will take a couple of seconds, but in my case, the best drivers for your device are already installed. So no need to update any driver. Guys, I hope this video tutorial will help you. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.